there are some important scenarios when you are not a consumer, and I will show you. So you can see these are the scenarios when you cannot take help of the consumer protection law. If you are a customer for free, for example, there are often free medical clinics which are held by the government or by your community, or you get some free advice from a doctor. If you have paid 0 rupees, you cannot come under the Consumer Act. But if you have paid even 1 rupee, yes, you are a consumer. So one important concept here is commercial purpose. Commercial purpose is basically if you take any goods or service for profit. If your objective is profit, you are not a consumer. However, there is a peculiar part. The peculiar part is that certain kinds of commercial purpose is allowed if you can show that you are doing self-employment and it is for your livelihood. You can do commercial purpose and you can still take help of the consumer protection law. Let me give you examples. You have a general store. That general store is your livelihood and you yourself work there every day. So if you take a fire insurance policy for the goods under these conditions, you are allowed to come under the Consumer Protection Act. Why? Because there is self-employment and there is livelihood. By comparison, suppose you own several chains of such stores and you don't work in any of them, you have managers. Question can and will be raised if you are a consumer, if there is any self-employment. Let me give you another example. Many people for profit, they invest in properties. Sometimes they purchase the flat under construction and they want to sell it when the prices are profitable. This is called resale flat. And sometimes they give properties on rent for profit. So these are squarely and purely a commercial purpose, and consumer case against a builder will be lost if the builder can prove that your flat is for resale or if your flat is for profit. Many times in the course of correspondence in letters and emails, if the consumer has mailed it to the builder that what are you doing about my resale flat? Oh, I want to please give me the possession because I want to sell my flat for profit. Then you cannot, then your consumer case will get lost. So this is what we mean by commercial purpose. If you can show self-employment and livelihood, it is okay if you do commercial purpose. Now the least invoked and least important one of these exclusions is something called personal service. You cannot file consumer case against your servant or butler, but we are not talking about filing a case against servant or butler. The principle here is important. Consumer law applies only to contractor and customer relationship and not to master-servant relationship. So friends, if any of these conditions are met, if any of these conditions are present in your case, you cannot take help of the Consumer Protection Act.